This video will explain how to enter your STEM activity into one of these STEM Discovery Campaign competitions. Of course, you need to first submit an activity. To watch a video on how to submit activities, go to the web address shown here or click on How to Submit Activities on the SDC homepage. It's important that you write down the entry ID you receive when submitting an activity. You can find your entry ID in two ways. On the Scientix portal, click on My Activities, then select your activity. You will find the entry ID below the small picture on the left. In the SDC app, click on the megaphone symbol, find your activity, and click More Information. Then scroll all the way to the bottom where you will find the entry ID. There are two ways to enter a competition. You can either click the links provided on the SDC homepage and in the directions for each competition, or you go to the About section of the SDC app, which you can reach by clicking on the three lines in the top right corner, then scroll down to the Competition section and click Apply for the competition. Either method will take you to the submission form where you enter all the information as instructed, including your entry ID, and hit Submit. It's that easy.